Hey everybody, Doug at Jammin Auto and Tire. Just wanted to touch base with you on something real quick. We had a customer call on the phone the other day looking for a price on tires, and he was comparing us to one of the big box stores, and of course they were less expensive. So he decided to take his vehicle there, and he got these brand new Firestone tires put on there, and then they picked it up. And the problem is now the car is in here because if you look right here, they actually bent the running boards on both sides of the vehicle. And then also down here on the ground, they actually bent the cover that goes over the fuel tank. So I don't really know how they did this, but they messed it up. And my whole point of shooting this video is when you see a major box store like that and they have technicians or mechanics working there, you have to realize something. They're there for a reason. Why are they working at a lower end type repair shop? I just want you to be aware of that. If there's a guy that's working there and I'm looking to hire somebody, I'm very leery of them because typically the people that work in those types of places are lower paid. They're not, we'll call them mechanics, they're not technicians. So anyway, just if you're gonna go and your major concern on tires is price, just buyer beware.